There's a special magic in giving old furniture a new story. The most stunning pieces in a room are often those rescued from attics, flea markets, or even the curb. Upcycling isn't just about saving money, it's about creating something uniquely yours. When you find an old dresser or table, you're not just looking at wood, you're seeing a piece with a past. By upcycling, you add your own chapter to its journey. Before you start, really look at the piece. Is it solid? Does its shape inspire you? Notice details like original hardware or dovetail joints, signs of quality and history. Once you know it's sturdy, let your imagination run wild. What could it become in your home? Think about colors, the feeling you want, and how this piece can help tell your story. It's about seeing past the dust to the beautiful possibility beneath. Before you begin, gather your tools, just like prepping ingredients before baking. You'll need cleaning supplies, sandpaper, screwdrivers, and a good paintbrush or roller. Don't forget safety gear gloves, a dust mask, and safety glasses. With tools ready, get specific about your vision. A mood board or simple sketch helps. Collect inspiration. Magazine clippings, online images, color swatches. This planning keeps you focused and confident as you work. Choose your paint and primer wisely. Chalk paint is forgiving. Latex offers more color options. Always use a good primer for a lasting finish. The right prep and planning set the stage for a beautiful transformation. Now, you're ready to bring your vision to life. Prep work is the secret to a professional result. Don't rush it. Start by cleaning every surface with a degreasing cleaner. Disassemble hardware and drawers for easier painting. Sand the piece lightly to remove shine and help primer stick. Wipe away all dust for a smooth finish. Make repairs now. Fill holes, fix wobbly legs, and sand patched areas smooth. These small fixes make a big difference in the final look. Take your time with each step. It's worth it. Good prep means your paint will go on beautifully and last longer. The transformation starts here, with careful attention to detail. Once prepped, you're ready for the fun part, adding color and character. Every bit of effort now pays off in the finished piece. Let's move on to the creative stage. Now for the fun, adding color. Start with a coat of primer to seal the wood and ensure rich color. Apply thin, even coats of paint, letting each dry fully before the next. Don't worry if the first coat looks patchy, trust the process. For a classic look, 2 coats of a solid color work beautifully. Want more character? Try distressing edges with fine sandpaper for a vintage feel. Stencils can add custom patterns to drawer fronts or tabletops. Two-tone styles, like painting the body one color and drawers another, add depth. Choose a finish that fits your home's story. The possibilities are endless. Make it yours. Your piece is about to become a true statement. The most exciting projects reimagine a piece's purpose. Turn a dresser into a kitchen island by removing drawers and adding a new top. Transform an old door into a coffee table with new legs and a glass top. Repurpose a bookshelf as a bar cart. Add wheels, paint, and a wine rack. Even small pieces can shine. A chair becomes a planter stand, or drawers become rustic storage. Old window frames can be wall art or mirrors. Look at each piece and ask, what else could this be? Creativity turns forgotten furniture into functional art. Let your imagination lead the way. The final touches make your project truly yours. Swap out old hardware for new knobs or pulls to instantly update the style. Line drawers with pretty paper or fabric for a hidden pop of color. Style your piece in its new home. Add lamps, books, or art to make it feel integrated. Embrace imperfections. They're part of your piece's story. Step back and admire what you've created. Remember, perfection isn't the goal. Joy and creativity are. You've given new life to something overlooked. Be proud and let this inspire your next project. Your home now tells a richer, more personal story.